Welcome to Sunshine English. Learn past continuous tense. Definition. We use this tense when we talk about some actions that lasted for some time in the past. Let's do some examples for your practice. Affirmative sentence. I was watching TV. First we use subject plus was plus ing and plus object. Second example. They were dancing. We use were with they. We use was with I, he, she, and it. We use were helping verb with we, they, and you. Let's do more examples. He was sleeping. She was playing. They were working in the room. We were cleaning the house. Now let's do some negative sentences. He was not coming here. First we use he is subject plus was plus not, and plus we use verb with ing plus object. Always remember we use not after the helping verb. Let's do more examples. They weren't calling you. She wasn't inviting us. I wasn't cooking. You weren't helping them. These are contractions of helping verbs. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Interrogative sentence. Was she learning English? In interrogative sentences, we use helping verb at the beginning. Let's do more examples for your practice. Was he fighting with her? Were they using my computer? Were you buying vegetables? Was he making good friends? Now, it's your turn to test your knowledge. I'm gonna give you some examples and you have to find the mistakes in each examples. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Example number 1. I was standing outside. Find the mistake in 5 seconds. The mistake is here were, because we never use were with I subject. We always use was. The correct sentence is here. I was standing outside. We use was with he, she, it, and I. Second sentence. They wouldn't teach you. Find the mistake in 5 seconds. The mistake is here teach, because in past continuous tense we use ing with verb. The correct sentence is here. They weren't teaching you. We always use ing with verb in past continuous tense. Was you enjoying the summer? Find the mistake in this sentence. The mistake is here was, because we never use was with you subject. The correct sentence is here. Were you enjoying the summer? We use were helping verb with you, they, and we. I hope you love this lesson. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And check out other English lessons on my YouTube channel. Have fun and learn English.